Pictures. So we'll be assembling these two. It will be on the side, and the four. This will be for the holder and screws. So I bought the slide only. So I have this board extra. This is for 158 pesos. Okay, so let's do it. So how to assemble? Okay. So it will be on the side. And so we have to screw this one on the side, so it slide here. So this all for the screws here, so we can see how the width. So it will be in the center. So first here will be on the end, the edge here. This part will be on the outer part. Okay, we'll see. So let's go here. One. Wait, here. Then on the side. Here. It looks like it's not in the center. So a little here. As always, our okay, we'll try. It will not stuck. Okay, close. So since this part is facing here, so the other one should also face. So this part. So here is facing to my right. So this one should face also in the same direction. One more screw. So slide. Ready, one is ready. So we'll be using the screw for we have four like this, and we have also four screws. So here there's like some protrusion here for these two holes, and this center, the middle one, will be for the screw. Make it tight. One more on this side. Again, this two will be here. Actually you can adjust, but yeah, I think we can adjust, but since I put the other one here, I will continue with that one on top. Other side.
nasa ilalim yun.